Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is 5th April 2025, and we will be trading Netflix today. Trump has announced 100% tariff on movies outside of US, so Netflix is the one going to be the most affected by that news, for sure. And there has been no interesting development between China and US regarding the tariffs. There is no major update on the tariffs. The futures are slightly lower. SPY is lower today from quite low from yesterday's close. So we are slightly bearish today. Netflix is bearish as well. So the narrative kind of matches, and we will be trading live. Something to note. Mm. Now, with all the important news out of the way, wow, Netflix is at 1,000. Remember it being. Wait, maybe that analysis is okay. Yeah, 2025 was 800. I went to India, I think this time it was 600. Chalo, mashallah. Anyway, we are looking at Netflix somewhere in this range, well above the EMA still. I don't like this symbol. Well above the EMA, well above the. At 1065, both the value area high and the EMA are coinciding, which can be. Actually, since this is our area of concern today, I don't think Netflix is gonna break below this level, the 1064 level. So let me mark that. Sticky notes. Menu. So let us focus on 1065, I guess. Yeah. Should we give this 100%? I don't know. I mean, still a move from there to here is not bad. Value area high. One day value area high plus EMA. If not here, then slightly, actually, it is slightly lower. It's not 1065, it's this level. You ended up going higher. Oh, it's 1060 level. It's slightly tricky. Let me try doing something different today. Let me try making a rectangle instead. Let me- Because it's an area. It's this area from 1065 to 1056 area. What is the What is the ATR of Netflix? Is something I want to know. Ah, allow. No. Netflix ATR. Please tell me the mic is open. The mic is open, yes. Mm-hmm. Netflix has a decent ATR of 39. Wow. So I think, speaking from a risk management point of view, I think settings, I want to look at symbols, trading, buy, sell buttons. Okay, and spread of 1.5 USD is something I can expect. I mean, of course, if it moves 39, two stocks would be enough. So I think we'll only be trading two. Settings, buy, sell button. I used to trade 12.5 back in the day. Hmm. So let's go with 2, right? Mm-hmm. I don't think my account size could support more than 2. So. Okay, now, now back to making that rectangle. I'm sorry, I'm making a rectangle for the first time. So, oh yeah, Alt Shift R, yes. Alt Shift R. So from here to here. Expected support, no, value area high plus EMA 100%. No, actually, I'm not 100% yet. I'm writing it for now. I would be 100%. Can we draw borders? Black. Or let's not. Let's control Z. Let's leave it as is. Hmm. Hmm. That is our order block, where we expect a lot of buy orders to be placed. So a movement from 103 to 59 should be well within reason, right? This is max volume, but I don't think the price will be going there. Let's take a look and the 30-minute chart at this area. Let's remove the sessions for now. Wait, does the size of the block change with 65? No, no, it remains the same, right? I just want to confirm. I think it remains the same. Yeah, I think it remains the same. I'm slightly nervous because I'm trading live today. I think I've already said that twice. Let's get rid of the volume profile first. This area, the support is at, there is 132. Interesting. Wow, a spread of how much is that? Spread of what? The shit. $8.9? I don't know. I don't know if trading Netflix is the right decision or not, but we'll find out very soon. How illiquid is Netflix? I think they should do a stock split like Nvidia, make it 100, just make everyone's lives easier. Reduces spread for sure. Nvidia used to have crazy spread as well. The more the price increases, the more the spread rises. Hmm. I mean, it's $2. It's okay. $4. No, it's okay. 240. Fair enough. Fair enough. Slightly nervous. Okay, anyway. First day at work feels like first day at work. Mm, yeah, I was trying to measure the highs, where I expect the highs to be. Let's do a small volume profile for the highs. Exchange volume profile from here to here, let's say. Okay, so the high is at maybe, yeah, this area. Ah, okay, nice, nice, nice. There is very low volume done between 1092 and 1066 62 area. I'll get rid of this block because of this block. Let's go with 63. Alt H text. It gained even more confluence because it is value area high, 1 day value area high plus EMA plus EMA 9 plus 30-minute uh, wall spike plus 30-minute uh, pivot high. Like it's a pivot. So this is 100%. I think I'm gonna give this price level 100% rating on how strong I think it is going to be today. 1092 to 106392 might not be the highest. Where is it? How is it trading right now? Let's see. Okay, it opened there, fell till here. Makes sense. There's a volume gap at this level. Uh, it never traded here. It jumped to that price area. Right now, Netflix is trading here. So I think I can confidently say that this should be the session high, 1110. I think it. How strongly do I believe in it? Not that strong, to be honest. Mm-hmm. I'm pressing Alt G. I'm press Alt H. This is, I see volume spikes in this area. That too, if I get rid of the pre-market, what about then? Even then, the spike is there. Yeah, there's a beautiful volume spike here. 30-minute volume spike. 50% maybe. I don't have too much faith on this level. I need another interesting level. This is 100%. 1063 100%. Sorry, it's not 30 minutes, it's 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay. Sorry. Hmm. Again, sorry. Okay. Where else can we expect the spike to go? Here, maybe? I don't expect it to go too high. But 1 hour volume spike. No other reason. I don't see the appeal of this level. So I expect some level of support at this level. Volume support 75%. I expect some fair value transactions if it like falls with power or something, or if it wants to rally today. This could be one of those turning points. I think we have our levels marked. The most important level being this. It's just the most insane level. Might resist, might not resist. Maybe I should only trade this level. I don't know how to play that angle. Maybe I'll take my profit at this level. Anyway, moving on. Let's take a look at the pre-market movement. Standard trading sessions. Where am I seeing aggression? Where am I seeing absorption? The fun stuff. Where am I seeing fun stuff? I'm gonna get rid of volume because I don't know. Move to pin below. Just make it super short. Shorty. Settings. Is it possible to reduce the width? No. Okay. Well, since it's not possible, let's see what do we have in store. Hmm. We still have half an hour. Price opens. Where is the candle? There's a candle. Okay. Price opens somewhere, I don't know, but ends up going all the way up there. There is selling pressure, the price ends up coming back down. There were no buyers showing any kind of interest. The buyers showed interest at this level. So when this level was tested, buyers showed no interest. Plus pre open. I think this would be an important level for me. The price did try and go back, test this level, but just did not work out for them very well. Wow. Hmm. We saw some sellers get absorbed, some limit orders being placed here. We see. Mhm. We see sellers get absorbed again. We see buyers try to rally. We see this price hold up. This is pre-res as well. Pre-res, so there is a little bit more faith in. Let's promote it to 75%. Okay. Now. Mhm. 1 hour volume spike 50%. So it did try supporting this level. Plus, it was a pivot in the pre market first. They tried supporting this level, but then it broke. So, again, not 70%, but 60% slight promotion for this level. Volume below here, volume drops. So, this is one of those areas that need to hold. Yeah, long wicks below this level. This area held very beautifully as a resistance, 110. This area also held as I'm gonna mark this as pre-market support, pre-sup. So even more promotion. 80%. 80% because it did go down below this level. Now, it did not like touch this level and be like, nah, bro, I am not testing this level ever again. But 1063, when it touches that level, I do not expect the price to, come back down again to that level at least. Maybe if like the price touches here, maybe it can come down till here. But if the price touches here, it's never gonna come back here again, or test it maybe, or it might like go a little bit low and then go back up. But I mean, this is just one of those areas that I do not expect to be broken. Maybe false breakouts or something, but I don't expect this level to be broken today, at least. I expected this level to be tested a few times, even if it had to be broken. I expect this level to be first tested a few times and then be broken. It's going to be tested for the first time today, and I don't expect this to be broken whatsoever. But I might be wrong. Hmm. Quite strong upside strength, like a lot of volume at this level, a lot of unexpected volume at this level. The 1107 level. So that would be super, that is super interesting to see from buyers and sellers. I want both a delta and wait. Can I get a delta graph? I need a delta graph. Ugh. Let's do it without the delta to. No, I need a delta graph. Which graph do I skip? Ah, Now that I'm used to so many charts, I don't want to let any of them go. I have my tab. Maybe I'll try it on it. So anyway, I will pause the video for now because we still have half an hour left. I'll see you in inshallah maybe half an hour. Okay. Okay. Let's try to uh not build. Let me check if everything is okay. Everything is okay. The charts look okay. 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 I mean, let's try to make sure the plan is working in our head, so to speak. Um, One of the few things that can happen is since the volume drops below this area, if it breaks through this level with good aggression and with like power, we short it down till we start seeing some supports or something, or maybe till like we short it down till till like 60. We can the entire $30 move. Or if it ends up showing some level of support here, like it is doing now, I would want additional confirmation, just like 2 3 bounces off of this level for me to be sure that okay, there is a move going to be, or there will be a move downwards from this level, right? um this, I think I'm a little bit more sure that the stock will go down from here. Might or might not, or it might like move sideways in this area. If it breaks this level, we are short 100% and we will hold that short. If it tests tests this level and tries to stay afloat, I'll make this one. Hmm. If it tests this level and tries to stay afloat, that is a different scenario. We'll take the decision based on the price action coming in. Let's just clear the noise. Another thing that can happen is a bounce off of this area. Is if it like somehow ends up dropping super fast till here, I'll maybe try to get a quick shot in here, and I will try to trade this area 100%. That is my 100% level after all. Both high confirmation areas are supports, interestingly enough. So maybe we can expect a range. If we look at the SPY here, SPY is ranging after the drop down during the open in the pre-market. So VIX, maybe a fear, maybe there's a slight fear in the market, uh, because the VIX jumped from 22 yesterday to 24. Based on all of this, what decision do we make? There is no decision to make, you know. We'll just wait it out. Anyway, that was the trading plan for now. That if the price breaks 1090 area, if it like goes somehow a retest and we see a spike down at this level, we are instantly going short and we're going to hold that short. If the price comes here and it's like consolidating and there are value areas here and all of that story is going on at this level, we we might or might not take, no, that is not, we will be a little more careful towards the story that is happening here. We might or might not take the short depending on what the story says here. Here there is a higher chance of me taking a short because I would assume that the upward move is exhausted and any aggression from the sellers at this price at 1126 would spell doom for the buyers. So that is a trading plan, and I guess there's still 6 minutes left. I just wanted to quickly narrate this, so I'll pause the video again and then we'll unpause it when the market opens. Okay, 30 seconds into the market, the 60% level has been broken. 1110 has been broken. The price is moving around like crazy in that range. Let's see what happens. We buy or sell. Be excited, excited. And the market opens in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. Delta is suggesting the sellers were absorbed for some reason. Buyers were very strong, very aggressive, and then the buyers were absorbed. Interesting. Now we are going and testing the 75% level. I hope we get a good short in. Settings, inputs, print size. 10,000. Okay. We saw the buyers get absorbed, but we will let them try and test. Uh, I will not enter here. Price is sellers and buyers were absorbed. No, sellers were aggressive. Why am I on the 5 minute? We see sellers being aggressive again. So let's go. Wrong place. I think I got horrible pricing anyway. Why is it not showing any position? I have one stock in. Now I have two in. It's supposed to show me the positions, no? Whatever, it's not showing me the position. Let's focus on this thing. We saw buyers get absorbed again. The value area was here. The second value area is here. The volume being done is much less. Nice. We see a break to the downside. You want to see a cleaner break? We see buyers step in. The buyers are trying to step in and hold that level for some reason. They are trying to hold the level below 110. Is this where I drop out? I'm not sure. All of this activity is going below the view app, so we will. Wow, buyers are very dominating this round. Majority of the volume being done at the top here. Okay, majority of the buyers were absorbed. That is good news. Yeah, a lot of the buyers were absorbed, sold into the limit orders. If I see buyers step in again, maybe I'll take maybe I'll take my loss. I think I'm seeing sellers get absorbed, interestingly. No, I think I'll drop this position. Mm. Are we trying to trade buy now? Or we let the market move a little bit to the side? Are we seeing falling volume? I am seeing volume falling. It would be very nice to see what the CVD is suggesting here. There is very aggressive delta to the downside. So let's let's try and take a short here. Right. Very few buyers at this level. Do I have a selling bias? We wait a little bit. It went down to this level, found support, right? How much volume are we seeing? Volume 21.5, 32.8, 42. So the volume is falling very nicely, if I might add. People are interested in buying Netflix. Ah, I was looking at the wrong place. Why did I buy? We saw buy limits at the View app. I don't know what to think of it. I think the sellers got absorbed. It's even resisting the SMA on the 5 minute, which is interesting. Is there enough news for it to break through this level? It reeled in for a buy when there was a buy imbalance. Clearly, there is decent buying strength today. I think I have one more. Shooting my final. Yeah. Now we wait. Of course, this way of trading is absolutely wrong and should be never done. And you would be immensely stupid for doing it. I took my loss the first time, did not do it the second time. I don't know why. But I think this is bound to happen. Considering how nervous I feel, I don't know why I feel so nervous. I feel like somebody has a gun to my head. Yeah, I used to act like, no, no, I won't feel anything when I'm doing real. I'll act all normal. I guess not. Majority of the volume done here and nobody won. Very fair value, so to speak. Actually, I did see the buyer step in here. The buyer stepped in very nicely. They were quite aggressive. That too right below this level. 1 hour volume sp- 1 hour volume spike and pre-market pivot. But I did not plan for a buy. But the market's been doing well. I don't know. Maybe that is something I should have considered from that point of view. The buyers were absorbed twice, but the second time was just meh. The third time sellers were absorbed. That too at very important level. So the price might keep going up, if anything. This area was short down and the buyers are struggling at this area again. Let's Trading real is very different from trading demo. That's for sure. Will it just keep going up shamelessly? Because I don't think I have another resistance level. I might have to take this loss. Netflix is actually outperforming even the SPX. Even the SPX isn't this strong. I don't even think there's any reason for it to stop now. A lot of mistakes, I guess. Risk management was poor to begin with. Planning should have been. We expected shorts to come in much earlier than it actually did. Oh, Netflix is doing really well. I don't know why I ignored this 1135 level. It sounds, looks, and feels important. Any spikes in the pre-market holds has some meaning. So all the sellers decided to dip, and then decided to enter at the same price here again. Please fund your account. Really, when this was rejected? How much am I losing? I don't have any more margin. I think that is it. That is all I can do. I guess from tomorrow onwards, I'll hide this maybe. I was expecting support to come in much lower at 106 something. It came much higher. Why am I watching the candlestick? A lot of the move being done here, this is being considered as the new fair value. I think I can't trade anymore. I'll just leave my desk and go. I'll leave this position open because I need to. Now, nothing I made. This thing kept waiting for real time data. Big buy order, if anything. seeing any gold into. Nope, I'm just seeing. I ran it again. Birds were absorbed. Na, na, na. That is being absorbed as solution. NFLX can sometimes be bad.
तो बिकॉज ऑफ क्वालिटी से क्या फील नहीं आ रहा फील है ना पिक्सल आर यू ट्रेन रियल वाली
I've never treated this horribly in my life, bro.
क्या हुआ?
Hmm?
क्या हुआ?
I was insane. Your brain was not working, bro. I'm sitting back thinking, what the fuck was I doing? Everything I don't know. My brain just went, bro. Today it's a short, bro. No matter what happens. I was here.
चलिए कोई मसला नहीं bro, कोई मसला
I
नहीं.
think
First
first
day,
day, no.
first day. Don't lose that confidence, bro.
Yeah, I was here, bro. 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week. All of them suggesting intense buying, and I was making profit here because I was short. I wanted to drop and then go long. I'm thinking. I don't know what I'm thinking for so long. It ended up going up. I'm like, नहीं यार गिरेगा वापस गिरेगा. And then I kept shorting throughout.
That's how you do it. Huh? Is that how you do
Never
it?
fucking ever would I would have switched my position at that moment itself.
I'm very गिरेगा. One the loss, take the loss and go. What the fuck you doing?
No, bro, I switch very easily. Like, bro, you got 4 minutes to fucking decide तुमको क्या करना है.
4 मिनट तक सोच.
और मैं 4 मिनट तक कुछ किया ही नहीं.
चलो सर कुछ.
And then it rallied, bro. It rallied so beautifully. I would like
The
in
question is,
demo.
the
I
question
would
is,
have
will it
made
keep
all this
running the
money.
entire day?
No, I don't think so.
You don't
Because
think so?
today is the falling day.
Today is a falling day, तो फिर गिरेगा आराम से गिरेगा. टेंशन मत ले.
नहीं तो
बस
कोई
आपको
नहीं
analysis करना है.
यार. The point is, I'm like,
Real money में बात आती है.
yeah, here my life is really around. It has nothing to do with trading and anything with it.
Yeah. It's fine. Fine. Use it.
Just a minute. I do. स्टार्ट नहीं करते अभी स्टार्ट ही नहीं करता। Fuck you, nigga.